We gave this AI one job: onboard our new hires. What happened next changed everything. No PDFs, no email chains, no confusion. Just one intelligent agent that handled everything from day one. Traditional onboarding is slow, manual, and frankly, broken. It wastes time, burns out HR, and frustrates new hires. So we automated it. AgenticAI created a full onboarding journey. Scheduled 1S, personalized training paths, even assigned a mentor. All in under 15 minutes. No templates. Every new hire got a role-specific, human-first onboarding path, built with AI intelligence and empathy. What used to take 5 days took 12 minutes. The difference? Agentic doesn't sleep, forget, or drop the ball. The results? Higher engagement, faster ramp-ups, and HR that finally has time to be human again. Because onboarding isn't just a checklist, it's the first impression, the foundation, the launchpad for your culture. Let AgenticAI handle the busy work, so your people can focus on what truly matters. Tap the link below to get the full demo and free onboarding checklist.